Hey YouTube family, GN subs, hope you're doing well. What is all of this travel ban stuff? We're going to talk all about it. Brand new 75 country ban, and then there's this 39 country ban. We're going to talk all about it. Going to explain it, going to break it down for you so that we know exactly what's on the table. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Humberto R, Gray, attorney at law here in sunny Southern California. And I generally bring you good news. Wait to the end of this video. I will give you some good news, even on these travel bans and pauses, all right? All right, got a lot to get to. Let's get at it. All right, what are we talking about here? 75 country ban versus 39 country ban. Totally different circumstances, folks, so don't get confused. They haven't extended the previous travel ban. This is a whole different thing. This 75 country, it's called a pause, actually. It's not a ban. It's a pause, right? It's a pause for immigrant visas only, not for non-immigrant visas, okay? So if you're from one of these countries and you have, let's say, an interview at the U.S. consulate to get your green card, it's going to be delayed. If you have an adjustment of status in the U.S. and you're from one of these countries, it's going to be delayed. But they will continue to adjudicate cases until the end, and then they will determine whether or not a particular case is what we call subject to public charge. That's what this one is all about. So 75 countries, only immigrant visas. It is narrowly for public charge provisions, okay? The 39 country pause in adjudication, that is totally different. That applies both to immigrant and non-immigrant visas, but there are substantial exceptions to that rule. I did a really good video last week on that. You might want to check it out, get the details on the 39 country pause, but the good news and the good takeaway, different, folks. It's not the same. It is totally different. So the 75 country pause, much narrower, okay? What is public charge? Let's talk a little bit about that, right? So what they're doing in this is they're looking at a totality of circumstances, whether or not an individual or family will come to the U.S. and likely become a public charge, get on welfare, public assistance, cash assistance, etc. They will determine by the totality of circumstances. They're going to look at things such as age, financial ability, whether or not you've been on public assistance before in your country, education, employment. They're going to look at the totality of circumstances to determine whether or not you're going to be able to come here and take care of yourself. So that's basically the crux of the 75 country ban. I put a link in the description box below for a list of the 75 countries. Also, frequently asked questions about the 75 country pause. All right, you waited for it. Good news. It is going to be litigated. Of course, AILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association, badass lawyers, we will litigate. There's already in the system a check for public charge. There's no need to go to this extent, and there's certainly no need to pause all of these cases where people have been waiting in line legally for quite some time. Hey YouTube family, GN subs, thanks so much for watching GrayLaw TV. Click below, like and subscribe. Also, go to my playlist. There are a lot of good videos with good content. It's also indexed very nicely so you can get your subject matter and find out exactly what information you're looking for. All right, we'll see you next week.